Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be creating different pages for our website. Before creating pages, let me tell you what pages are. So basically, pages are like static containers in which we add posts and different contents. So let's begin by creating pages for our websites. To begin, log into your WordPress and click on Pages. Here you can view all the pages of your website that you have created. For example, Contact Us About Us. Let's remove these pages by sending them to trash so that we can create new pages for our website. To create new pages, click on Add New button. Now here you can give a name to your page. For example, for first page, let's give it name of Haim. After that, you have to simply click on Publish button. Here you can also explore the page visibility and scheduling options. The purpose of these is to select who can view your page and when your page will be uploaded on your website. After this, you just have to click on the Publish button to create your first page. Then click on Add New button to add another page to our site. For instance, About Us. And follow the same steps of publishing and then adding a new page. After publishing, click on Add New page and give your page a new name. For instance, Contact Us. Remember, you can type any name of your page according to your website's requirements. Now publish it. Now, let's create one last page for our website. Click on Add New page and then give it name of Courses and hit Publish. After publishing all of our pages, we can simply click on View Pages to view all pages in our website. So this is how our website's pages will be displayed on top of our website. And by clicking any of our page, we will be directed to that specific page. Currently, these pages are empty, but in our next lectures, we will be adding content in these pages as well, so stay connected. Now here, we can view our pages and edit them or remove them if required. Now, we will go to Themes and download a new theme to unlock new options for our WordPress. Just go to Appearance, and then Themes and download new theme by clicking Add New. Here, search for 2020 and download and activate this theme. After this theme have been activated, this theme would be applied to our website. Now here, you can see the Menus option, from where we can customize our menu by adding all pages in it. Let's create a new menu and give it name of Header. Now, click on Create Menu. After creating this menu, you just have to add all of pages in it. Select all of your pages and add up in this menu, and then arrange them in whatever order you want. Then click on Save Menu. You can also create subpages like this and add one page into other. You can explore these options by your own as well. After this, click on Save Menu and go to your website to view all the changes. Now, you can view that your pages have been updated successfully. Thanks for watching.